Did you know that you can use our Automation Path Builder to update your contact details? Contact details are the pieces of information that you know about your contacts. There are the basics like name, email address, etc., but you can also create custom fields for information that you want to collect from your contacts. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how you can use an automation path to update contact details or custom fields for your contacts. Let's get started. While editing your automation path, from the Contact Actions section, click and drag in the Update Contact Field action into your path. Once the action is in your path, click the three dots here and then choose Edit. Select either Choose an existing field or Create a custom field. Choose an existing field will let you pick one of your previously created contact fields. And Create a custom field will let you create a new custom field based on what you want to know about your contacts. Once you're finished, click Save. Once your automation path is active, the contact detail or custom field is automatically updated when contacts reach that step in your path. And it's that easy with the Automation Path Builder from Constant Contact.